USCIS has just rolled out a brand new citizenship test, and it's tougher than ever. More questions, deeper topics, and a harder interview. If you walk in unprepared, you're almost guaranteed to fail this one. Hello, everyone. I'm Erick Widman, an attorney at Passage Immigration Law. We have offices in Oregon, Washington, and California. You can visit our website at passage.law to set up a consultation or subscribe to our free newsletter for regular updates, tips, and the latest immigration insights. In this video, I'll break down exactly what's new about the citizenship test, how to prepare for it, and the exact steps that you need to take to file, study, and then pass with confidence. First off, what has changed? The number of questions has jumped from 100 to 128, almost a 30% increase. About a quarter of the questions are brand new, so the old 2008 materials won't cut it anymore. The interview has also changed significantly. You used to answer just 10 questions, now it's up to 20. You still need 60% to pass, but that means 12 correct answers instead of 6. And yes, the questions are tougher, covering deeper topics in American history, government, and civic principles. For example, you might have to answer questions like, what's the purpose of the 10th Amendment? Why does each state have 2 representatives? Why do U.S. representatives serve shorter terms than U.S. senators? Some questions now require more comprehensive answers. You can't just name one branch of government, you need to name all 3. And USCIS expects you to give the official answers from their study guide. Yes, accuracy matters. Some questions also change over time. Current leaders, of course, the president, vice president, speaker of the House, your local representative, or your governor, that must all be up to date. Depending on where you live, your answers will vary. The interview format is different too. Officers will stop the test early once you pass or fail. If you get 12 right, you pass. If you get 9 wrong, you fail. Fail twice at your first interview and your retest, and your application will be denied at that point. Like I mentioned in the beginning of this video, this is a major change, and it could affect thousands of immigrants applying for citizenship. But here's the real warning. USCIS has made it clear that this is just the beginning of a bigger overhaul. That means the test could get even harder in the near future, not just the civics part, but the English portion too. So if you qualify, don't wait. Apply now. To help you, I've put together a free guide to U.S. citizenship. It walks you through the different paths to citizenship, eligibility requirements, and the exact steps that you need to take. The link is in the description. Click to download it today. Now, here's something most people miss. It's not the interview date that determines which test you take. It's the date you file your N400 application. Interviews usually happen about 8 to 10 months after filing. And if you filed before October 20th, you'll take the easier version of the test. If you filed on or after October 20th, you take the new version. USCIS has released a new study guide called One Nation, One People, the USCIS 2025 Civics Test Study Guide. It includes all 128 questions and answers. I'll include a link in the description. During the transition, both the old and new guides are online, so make sure you're studying the correct one. I know this might feel overwhelming, but with the right plan and enough time, you can absolutely pass. And here is how you should prepare. Number 1, be realistic about required study time. The 2025 test will require 3 to 6 months, we estimate, of consistent study, compared to maybe 1 to 2 weeks for the old test. Even 30 minutes a day is better than cramming. Number 2, practice verbally. This test is spoken out loud. There's no multiple choice. Flashcards or apps can help, but nothing beats having someone read the questions to you and testing your oral answers. That's what the real interview will feel like. Number 3, strengthen your English. Even though that portion hasn't changed, stronger English helps you understand and answer civics questions. Read civics materials, watch English news, and practice speaking English as much as possible. Number 4, review your N400 carefully. Officers go line by line. Inconsistencies or misunderstandings can slow down your process. If your case is complex, long trips abroad, a complicated criminal record, any criminal record, or other issues, I highly recommend having an attorney help prepare your application and attend your interview with you. This can make a big difference. At Passage Immigration, we help applicants get ready, avoid mistakes, and feel confident walking into their naturalization interview. If you'd like help with your case, call or text us 503-427-8247. 843 or visit passage.law to schedule a consultation. If you know someone who might be affected by this change, please share this video because information is power. If you have questions, drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for future updates. Knowing how the system works is key to succeeding in it. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for our next video.